How to fix Discord login while playing games. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. Then you have to go and open Discord. After this, go to storage. And on storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. Don't forget, the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.